This is where we left in the previous video by passing the cookie and also render the template if a user is logged in by checking the user inside the cookie. In this video, let's implement the logging out. How are we going to get it done? Well, we are going to change this one to get request because that is what we specified inside the dashboard as logout that matches the /logout. And one more time, if you use a tag, the value for the href point to an endpoint which uses get method. So with this one, if I log out, I don't see any error. But instead, the server keep hanging, meaning that inside the logout, we are not returning anything. So how are we going to log out? And Express make it easy by using a method on the response as clear cookie. So here I will say logout. And it's going to be res.clearCookie. And we are going to pass in the value that we used when we were creating the cookie. Over here we used, let me reduce the tab here and let me show you the value. As you can see, we used what is called user data. Likewise, inside the server, we use it here as user data. So we are going to clear that. So make sure to type the exact placeholder or the variable name. And that is it. So after logging out, we are going to redirect. So as res.redirect and /login. And that is it. So let's try out log in, log out. Now I have logged out. If I check inside the cookie, as you can see, there is no value for that because I have cleared that. And if I try to access the dashboard, let me go to homepage and /dashboard. As you can see, I'm back to log in.